How to turn on age restrictions in YouTube. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to activate the age restriction mode in YouTube, ensuring a safe and more controlled viewing experience. Begin by launching the YouTube application on your device. Make sure you are signed in to your account. On the YouTube interface, click on the profile icon located at the bottom. Spot the settings icon in the top right corner and click on it to enter the settings menu. Within the settings menu, locate and click on General. This is where you will find various options to customize your YouTube experience. Scroll down through the general settings until you reach the restricted mode option. This feature is designed to filter out potentially sensitive or mature content. Simply toggle the switch next to restricted mode to turn it on. This action activates the age restriction mode, helping filter content that may not be suitable for all audience. With restricted mode enabled, you can now explore YouTube with an added layer of content filtering. Sensitive material will be restricted, providing a more secure environment. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.